Good morning, grade 5, and welcome to our English class. Well, children, what we were doing last time? Yes, we were doing the present perfect tense. Now, who would remind me what is the present perfect tense? Yes, present perfect tense is used to show an action that has just been completed. Okay? Now, how do we form the present perfect tense? What did I tell you, children? How do we form the present perfect tense? We have to use have or has and then you add the past participle. Okay? I hope you are reading this, children. I have given this for reference so that you read it and understand. Now, what was the past participle, children? Yes? Remember these words, children? Walk, past is walked and past participle is also walked. Sleep, slept, regular, irregular spelling patterns. Remember? Yes, now see here, children. We had this, the simple past and past participle here where the spelling changes: eat, ate, eaten. Right? Now what did we say, children? The past participle we need to have has or have. So when I am using this word over here, eaten, what do I say? I have eaten a sandwich. I will use the word have and then plus the past participle. Right? He has written a book. These are your past participles. Now, remember this, children, what I had explained? It is a specific verb used for in the past and present perfect tense. Right? And we need an auxiliary verb such as have or had. Can you see these examples? I lived in Nasik for 5 years. But when you use the past participle, now lived, you have to use, children, had or have, whatever. See here. Now here it is listened and here you have written I have listened to this song several times. Similarly, I ate breakfast at 10 o'clock yesterday. And here you are saying I had eaten breakfast at 10 o'clock yesterday. Right? Now let's see the homework, children. Okay, so this was the homework. Right? I just need to pull this page so that you get a good view. Yes. Now we need to put a present perfect tense. The petrol prices dash go up. Now what did we say, children? How do we form it? We have to put have or has. Now here the petrol prices, what will it be? Yes? Have gone up. Right? Now, the players dash performed well in the tournament. Now, what will it be here, children? See your players. So, I will use have. And then I add my past participle. So, perform will be what? Performed. Be careful of your spellings, children. The players have performed well in the tournament. Reema dash an order for sandwiches at the fast food joint. Now here it is place. So what I have to use, children? Has or have. Now here I am going to use has. Why has, children? Because this is singular. Reema is singular. Remember, this has to agree with the subject. Your has and have has to agree with the subject. Has is singular, Have is plural. But when it is I, we use have. Remember this, children. Reema has place. So place will be what? Placed. Reema has placed an order for sandwiches at the fast food joint. Now the fourth one. She dashed a letter from her aunt. She again has, and receive will be what? Received. Right? Now, she dashed good marks in her maths exam. Again has, because singular, and score is scored. See the spelling, children? Now this one I had done as reference. The barber has refused to cut my hair. Okay? And now we have the last one. I, just now I told you, children, with I we use have. I have read about it in books. Right? Now with this, children, we move to the next tense. Now what's the next tense? Okay, that's now the past perfect tense. The past perfect. Okay, as you see here, Solomon had run as fast as he could. So the past perfect is had run. So let's learn more about past perfect. These two, children, we had done it last year. Just okay, a quick recall. Past perfect tense. Now read the sentence. I just now read it from the text. Solomon had run as fast as he could. Second one is the flight had landed when I reached the airport. Now can you see, children? Past perfect. Now how do we form the past perfect? It is had and plus the past participle. Now what is the past perfect tense? The verbs are in the past perfect tense. Which verbs, children? This, had run and had landed. These are past perfect tense. The past perfect tense implies that the action was completed at some time in the past. Right? And how do you form it? We put had and you have to add the past participle. Now children, for homework, you will be doing these 5 sentences. Right? It is quite simple, so I am not going to discuss it further. Do these 5 sentences in your notebook. And children, please revise the tense right from the beginning, what I have done. Present simple, past simple, present progressive, past progressive. Right? So just revise, children. From the beginning, I will give you a small test just to see how you are faring. That's all, children, from my side. Thank you for your participation.